When a family is dealing with probate, they're carrying a great deal. The legal process moves forward, but the property often stays exactly as it was, full of belongings, decisions, and a life that requires careful consideration. This is exactly where Serenity Cleaners come in. We are a specialist estate clearance and deep cleaning service working across Greater Manchester. We take the client's best wishes seriously, handling their belongings with discretion and care to a standard where solicitors are able to move things forward. We work quietly, professionally and thoroughly. What belongs to the family stays within the family. When the cleaning is done, the property is ready, without the family having to carry that burden. If you regularly work with bereaved clients requiring this kind of support, then we welcome a conversation where that service you can genuinely refer with confidence. Serenity Cleaners, discreet, professional and genuinely caring, where cleanliness meets with calm.